Let go your hand ate!
Thank you po! Ano wala? Ba't walang refund?
Ang refund lang pala nun is kapag ang punta mo is sa job site.
Paano?
Pag ang punta mo sa job site mo na.
Anong job site?
Sa work location mo, kung saan kang...
Okay. So,
pero
sa
pag
Dubai
yung
lang.
ganito parang travel lang.
Travel
Wala.
for leisure. Wala. We're talking about sa travel tax.
Yup.
Okay.
Hindi, travel ko terminal fee. Same yan. Basta yung nire-refund natin mga OFW. Alam nyo na yun.
One off. Grabe, parang ang taba na agad ng mukha.
Ito tayo magaganon pala. Pagbaba na natin.
Busy yan.
Tapak-tapak.
Tapak ng...
Hindi sabi mo, transition.
Video na to. Huwag lang akong dudulas. Uy, babe! Sira ulo. Wag.
Di parang na tayo yata unang nilagay na bagtig eh.
Talaga ba? Ang lakas ng loob eh. Yan. Sundo-sundo na. Let's go. Hi guys.
My name is Bear.
Huh? Bear?
Yeah, Bear. Sing Teddy Bear.
My name is Abby.
Abi. Ano dati?
Jaja.
Jaja. Yeah. Nice to meet you.
So while they are in the ATV, enjoying their lives, ako andito, nakahiga sa sofa. So ganito lang po tayo buhay natin. While waiting for them. So meron silang 1 hour to enjoy. At ako 1 hour to sleep. To rest. Parang buhok.
Yung lahat daw tayo.
Ayan, ito daw yung coffee Arabica, babe. Hi, Luwak.
Eh, isa pag-jumag studio nga.
Galing. Ito na yung ano niya. Ito na yun, di ba, babe?
Ayun siya pag lumabas sa kanya.
Ito pag lumabas sa kanya.
Yeah, because you know like that. The first time they come out. Yeah.
Para patutuyuin natin na yan.
And then we can separately the coffee bean. make it ready. Yeah, so we separately and then we open. When we open is the skin and we get only this one, the inside. Okay, so you smell. That's the smell. Yeah, because you must process. And then after this, we clean by hot water again. And when we clean and we drying by sun until 1 week, until the material is done. After finish, yeah, we can making coffee. Yeah. And then this usually, so some people they roasted 1 hour and 1 kilo of coffee. Yeah. And then this, yeah, 1 hour. Give me your answer. He process tae, yeah?
I-process
This is how you cook tae.
Until aroma different. Can.
Cook tae.
What?
Cook tae.
Because you know look like Balinese people, which are women, they look like a beauty. Yeah? Because
Abi, more power, Abi. More power, yeah.
More beauty daw, be.
yeah, it's more power, it's more
Yeah. Bango?
Bango. This is the final product.
You know, when we have this powder like this, in Bali we just add it with the hot water. Okay, look like instant. Time, I will start coming from this one. Rosella tea for blood circulation, and then we have this ginger tea, so good for
Ginger tea.
ginger tea, so good for sore throat. Okay? And then we have this red rice tea, so good for bone and calcium. And then we have this lemongrass tea for the digestion system and the stomach problem. And then we have this Bali coffee, this regular. And then we have this avocado coffee, so good for your skin and antioxidant. And then we have this mangosteen tea, so good for cholesterol. And then we have this saffron tea for the immune system. Yeah. And then we have this hot cocoa, chocolate. Yeah, so good for happiness. Okay. And then we have this vanilla coffee. And then we have this mochaccino coffee. Okay. And then we have this coconut coffee. And this, yeah, this is the last one. Ginseng coffee.
Oh, yun. The best.
Ginseng.
Ah, good.
Sa'yo na yan, bro. Sa'yo na yan.
Ginseng ka dyan, ginseng.
Kay Berna yung
Can I
ginseng
order
coffee.
this one?
Abi, kay Abby yan. Bro, give it to Ber. Bro. Sa'yo na bro, ginseng bro. Sa'yo na yan. Bro, bigyan mo rin si Ber. Sa'yo si Abby.
No. Okay, so you can try, please enjoy, except the luwak coffee. Okay. If you
Okay, we're here in the Alamdini Resort. And my Beshi Wops are to register ourselves. Seriously lang. It's right there, baby boy. Ayan. Nag-rushes na po tayo because of heat. Yeah.
Ito kami. Saan kayo?
Hi. Here's now.
And also we have the balcony there.
Oh, pretty nice. Yee. So, ingat-ingat lang. Look at that. May kataasan po tayo. Baby.
This is the snack fruit from Balinese. Snack fruit.
Ay, wow. Parang may pagka-rustic ang design. Well, ano na, rustic na talaga siya. Pero maganda. Good morning.
Morning.
Good morning mga luwak. Good morning. Day 2 to, no? Day 2. Yes. Mamaya yan. Yan. Going to our breakfast. Breakfasty. Good morning, sunshine.
Morning.
Oh, my baby sunshine.
Good morning.
Good morning. Right.
Available ka daw ulit.
Herbal tea.
Sarap. You like durian?
Yeah.
In the Philippines, what do you call it? Durian is what?
Durian. Durian.
Here to our first stop.
For the picture only, we have steak chicken nest, onion nest, pearl nest.
Yung dalawa na iingit, gusto na sumakay. More extreme.
Ay! Kataas din, oh.
May bigatan sila. Oo nga, bawal yung sinelo. Yun yung mahirap eh, yung ano, yung isa lang yung itutulak. So gagalaw ka lang ganun eh. Oo, hindi balance eh. Gagalaw ka eh.
Like stop.
Ako naman. Tumalo ka rin.
Thank you po!
Bitaw, bitaw! Bitaw, bitaw! In just one hand.
No!
Say hi.
Hi!
Say hi, flying kiss.
Overlooking view for the lunch.
Harap.
Our third stop for today, Ulundanu.
May driving license. I'm driving. I'm from Philippines. I'm driver too. At least driver, no? Yes, at least driver. Ah, they have here the Handara gate. See? They have it here, no?
Yan. This is the temple. So lakad-lakad lang tayo, no?
Bro, this is statue. What are the symbol? What it symbolize? This is statue.
Which one?
This one.
This one. Like dancing.
How about that one, the last one?
Which one? Same.
Just dancing statues.
Yes, but different food.
Mm.
So ayan, it's night time. So let's see kung makapagpamassage tayo because ang mga friends natin ay pagod na pagod na pagod na. Ang ending. Ano? Walay?
Fully book na daw.
Oh, it's fully booked.
Ito, dito
Hanap pa tayo.
Sa banda rito.
At ang mga katawan lupa ng ating mga kaibigan ay ano na
Hindi na
talaga.
kaya maghintay hanggang bukas.
Hindi na makapaghihintay hanggang bukas.
Hindi na po kaya hanggang bukas.
So dito tayo nag-ending sa Ingrid. Okay. Package 4.
How much for hair braiding?
Huwag ka na mag-hair braid.
That's okay, next time. Thank you.
Ayan.
Sawa.
Oh, the coconut oil. Babe, can you remove? So sweet naman. Okay, so maiiwan po tayo dito dahil, you know, the situation. Okay. Una ang foot massage. Magkakasama pa rin pala kami. Ayan, nakapagpamassage na kami. So, ipinilit ko na magkakasama kaming 4. Ayan, mamaya
dito
tulog
ka
na
rin naman
sila.
talaga, baby. Hindi na kayo nagkaintindihan.
Okay. Tulog na kayo.
Hindi na pag
Kamusta ang massage?
Hindi na nakatulog.
Hindi ka nakatulog?
Pagkakaalam ko. Pagkakaalam ko hindi. Ilang beses siya kaya ako ilang beses siya kaya ako ginising. Pero
Hindi daw nakatulog si Jay. Sana naibidensyahan. Yan. Food trip after massage. Baby. Beshies.
Bagong gawa talaga.
Sarap po. Sa pangkagat. One big bite. Yun, no? So, 3. Aha. Beshies.
Hawak ko, baka madalas dito. Kasi hawak baka madalas.
What's your name, brother? Yoman. Yoman.
This is tumatlo pa nga, o diba? Tumatlo sa sakyan pa nga eh. Kasi sinasabi niya, hindi nga siya dalawa.
Two-way naman siya. Pang motor nga lang talaga. No? Ito mag...
Baba to, bro. Kaya niya kinito.
Inyag. Yeah.
Mga blind spots. Hello, jungle eh. Ay. Sabi, first stop pa lang to, Kalingking Beach, pero for the haggard.
First stop pala pero mukha ng last stop.
Ay, kataas, so hindi na po kami dumiretso sa pinakababa. We just took photos from here.
Grabe.
Kasi
taas.
sobrang tirik niya.
Para kang naglakad ng ano pa ba? Tingin ko lang ha. Para kang bumaba ng 30th floor.
Talaga?
Nakita mo yung video kanina, yung video ko? Sobrang liit na ng mga tao sa baba.
Kasi si Jay lang yung buwaba kanina. The Beshies and I stayed
Hindi pa
here.
nga ako nangalahati.
Talaga?
Not even half.
So, picture-picture lang tayo, ganyan. So, nakita naman natin yung view at di naman tayo mag-swimming. So, yeah.
Si Kuya Kim at si Ate Kim.
Bali Bells.
Hamu ko ho.
Ladies, wives.
Second stop.
Look little bits. Look camera.
Okay. So, nagbuko juice na lang po tayo. Ay, baby, may ano ka. Nagbuko juice na lang po tayo. Bilang hindi natin kaya bumaba. Dahil sa sobra init, guys. It's so hot. Uy! Enjoying the coconut with this view.
Hey, tourists. Hey, Julie. Jackfruit. Bangus.
Mangosteen. Ang daming fruits.
Nangka.
Ay, ang laki ng mangosteen nila.
Sri Lanka is India.
Yan. Medyo mahaba-haba lakaran. And we should wear this. The sarong. Mga bagong tuli. Mga bagong tuli.
Sama ako dito.
Oh.
Bro, kaya lang ba ito, bro? Julie, may hinapin, Julie.
Sprinkle of holy water.
Thank you.
Maulangan niya ba?
It's okay, thank you. Nandito na tayo sa temple. Very nice. So, syempre, ayan, for the picture-picture. While we're waiting for our number, dun kami mag-picture later. Ayan. Palitan muna kami ng couples. Kailangan, syempre, may mga pa-couple-couple picture.
Sis.
Checking in Jambalulu Hotel. Three two two 321 320.
Bye, see you later. Good night. Ay, ang ganda ng room. Ang lamig. Grabe ang lamig. Happy? Okay, here's our toilet. Let's check. Toilet check. Nice. And the room. Hey. Nice. Ang laki ng ano. Ang lapad ng bed. Let's check the balcony.
Kaso,
Go, go, go. Go, 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 go. Ooh, ang haba ng swimming pool. Nice.
connecting door with Villarico's. Yan. Swimming time. Sleeping time.
This is